Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying iCloud photos and deciding direct import versus local transfer. Once you enable iCloud on both devices, you can import over Wi-Fi. Make sure the iPhone is unlocked and trusted. If you prefer local originals, connect via USB. The Photos app opens automatically. Choose Import. Alternatively, use image capture for more granular control over folders and file names. This first step establishes where originals live, so you avoid unwanted duplicates and can proceed with a clear source. Now organize while importing. Create albums for events and use smart albums with rules to auto-collect similar photos. Once done, apply keywords and faces to speed future searches. Make sure to choose Optimize Max Storage if your disk is tight. This keeps full res in iCloud and smaller versions locally. For duplicates, sort by date and file size, then use the built-in deduplication or image capture for manual merges. These steps reduce clutter and ensure you keep full resolution originals where you intend. Finish by backing up your library. Use Time Machine or copy the Photos library and Originals folder to an external drive. Redundancy prevents loss. Once done, verify iCloud sync status in Photos Preferences to confirm everything uploaded before you delete from the iPhone. If you encounter missing or stuck photos, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, toggle iCloud Photos, or re-import the files with image capture. This resolves common sync issues and completes a safe, organized transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.